Okay, this is Capital Commons versus Ryan Wellston at 25-7960. Yes, please.
For the record, Ronnie Haddad, 84927 for the plaintiff.
Yeah, Mr. Wellston.
Yes, ma'am, Ryan Wilson.
Okay, today was the date scheduled for a hearing. This is for an eviction for non-payment of rent. I do have here a consent judgment. It says that the past due rent to retain possession is due in the amount of $2,461.54 plus money due, which is court costs.
That's correct.
Okay, court costs of $178.54. For a total due to retain possession, $2,640.08. That you'll pay that or vacate by February 28th. Is that accurate?
Yes, ma'am.
February 28th is a Saturday.
You can still pay it. Just the first day we'd be able to file for anything would be that following Monday. There's also just a note in the further.
No,
orders.
the clerk's office is going to take this back. We can't put
Okay, so what?
we can't put a date at the
27th
court's
then?
closed.
Okay, we have to put the 27th, but still you would have the benefit of the weekend. Yeah, so we do have to just change it to the 27th. I didn't know that would do that.
Oh, yeah, we can't do that even on
Okay.
if it's the court's closed, they send it back to us.
Okay.
It's a holiday.
Good to
They're
know,
like,
thank you.
yeah. 27th. So the 27th will be the date, but as she stated on the record, they'll get the benefit of the weekend.
So you could, it's technically it's due by the 27th, which is a Friday, but this is Capital Commons, it's Lynette. I know she'll, if you pay it off by the Saturday, you'll be fine, because the first day they'd be able to file for anything would be that following Monday, but if you have it paid off, they have to dismiss it. Okay, or they have to, they can't file for the rent.
Do you
Okay,
understand?
Yes.
Okay, and so it says here payment of $500 by money order was made on the 10th. Once confirmed and processed, will be credited towards the balance, correct? Okay. Do you have the right to be represented by an attorney? You were advised of that right at the time of your pretrial. You understand that?
Yes.
And did you want to waive your right to be represented by an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
You also have the right to proceed to trial. You could have demanded a jury trial in this matter and presented any defenses that you believe to non-payment of rent. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to waive that?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone threatening you to do that?
I didn't hear you.
I'm sorry?
I didn't hear you.
Is anyone threatening you to waive these rights?
No.
Okay. You have 3 business days from today's date to return to the court. If you later realize you did misunderstood the rights that you waived, you can request to have this judgment set aside, okay? Get your copy and you're all set.
thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
No problem. Good luck. Is the 9 o'clock checked in? Yes, Judge.
Sorry.
My 9 o'clock. Case ending in 975.
None unless they're in the hallway.
I don't think so.
Lynn Madden? Yeah, unless they're in the hallway, they're not in here. I don't mean, it's the hearing, so they got them person here. Because you have a default paperwork already?
I do. Would you like me to?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm checking it. Just here for Mr. Ballard.
Oh, Rob Bach is over.
Oh, okay, I can't see behind the computer. Okay, Todd Dowrick versus Shakara Wright and all the occupants 25-07962. Appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ron Bach here for Todd Dowry.
Give your name, ma'am? Shakira Wright. Okay, Ms. Wright was scheduled today for a hearing. This was for non-payment of rent. I see here a consent judgment, says past due rent to retain possession, $3,519 plus court costs $138.64 for a total due $3,657.64, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, and you'll pay that amount in full or vacate the premise no later than the 23rd of February 2026, correct?
Yes.
There's also a judgment that to enter for money judgment damages $2,608.29 plus court costs for a total of $2,746.93, correct?
Yes.
You have the right to be represented by an attorney. You understood that, right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right today?
Yes.
You also have the right to proceed to trial. You could have demanded a jury trial. You understood that right as well?
Yes.
And you waived that right also?
Yes.
You have 3 business days from today's date to return to the court. If you later realize you misunderstood any of those rights, you can file to have that judgment set aside and explain how you misunderstood the rights, okay?
Okay.
We'll get you a copy of your paperwork. Any additional matters?
Oh, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The record in the matter of Capital Commons versus Jalen Madden and all other occupants 25-07975. Appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Marnie Haddad, Gate 497 for the plaintiff.
Your name, ma'am?
Shaylin Madden.
Okay, today was the date that was scheduled, and this was for a hearing for non-payment of rent. It says here that you've entered consent judgment whereby you'll pay the past due rent to retain possession. 2090 is the total amount plus court costs of 178.54 for a total amount due $2,268.54, correct?
Yes.
You'll pay that or you'll vacate the premise by February 27th, accurate?
Yes.
Okay, you understand that you have the right to be represented by an attorney?
Yes.
Did you want to waive that right? I'm sorry?
Yeah.
Okay, you also have the right to proceed to trial in this matter, or you could have held a hearing on this. Did you want to waive that so that you can have this consent judgment entered? Anyone threatening you to do that? Any promises if you waive any of those rights? You have 3 business days to return to the court. If once you leave here, you realize you misunderstood the rights you've given up, you can return and request to have this set aside, okay?
Okay.
We'll get you a copy of the paperwork in just a moment. Any additional matters for the record?
Further, thank you.
Thank you. Are you waiting for something? I'm sorry? Oh, okay, that's all. Okay, let's see. You can have a seat right here. Let's see, Mr. Dua, who do you have?
Right here or right here?
Back there,
Okay. Sorry.
no problem.
I too, Your Honor, Lieutenant Jackson and Johnson.
Lisa and Paul Kane versus David Jackson, 25-07985, appearance. Please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning. Sam Joy here on behalf of the plaintiff.
State your name, please.
David Jackson.
Okay, today was the date scheduled for hearing for non-payment of rent. How are we resolving this matter?
Thank you, Your Honor. I've had an opportunity to meet with the defendant. We've come to terms on a proposed consent judgment for your review. Proposed consent judgment states that rent to retain possession is $1,127.04. Costs $175.30. Total $1,302.34 to be paid on or before February 23rd, 2026 to prevent order of eviction from issuing. Both of us has signed this proposed judgment. May I approach?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, and was what Mr. Dewar stated accurate as to how you want to resolve this?
Yes.
Okay, you understand that you had the right to be represented by an attorney today? You want to waive that right? You also had the right to proceed to trial, or you could have had a hearing today. You understand that? You want to waive that right as well?
Yes.
Anyone threatening you to waive these rights? You have 3 business days to return to the court. If once you leave here, you realize you misunderstood the rights, you will file a motion to set this judgment aside and explain how you misunderstood your rights. Otherwise, you are agreeing to pay the past due rent plus court costs for a total of $1,302.34 or vacate the premise by the 23rd of February, okay? Get you a copy of the paperwork and you'll be all set. Thank you. Gardnerville Apartments versus Kofi Johnson, 25-08026, appearance, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Once again, Sam Joy here on behalf of the plaintiff.
Move your hat, sir.
I'm sorry.
What's your name?
Kofi Johnson.
Okay, today was the date that was scheduled for a hearing. This is for non-payment of rent. How are we resolving this?
Thank you, Your Honor. Once again, I had an opportunity to meet with the defendant. We have come to terms on a proposed consent judgment for your review, which we have both signed. Rent to retain possession, $2,973.33. Cost $254.50. Totaling $3,227.83 to be paid on or before February 23rd. Just realized that we do have a monetary judgment on this one as well. It means if you don't pay, and even if you move out, then you still owe rent through today's date. Okay, which we kind of talked about that. monetary judgment in the amount of $2,637.33 plus the same $254.50 in cost, totaling $2,891.83. Thank you. Yeah, Coach?
Yes. Okay, and so, Mr. Johnson, you understand what Mr. Dewar stated on the record?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're agreeing to that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're agreeing to pay the past due rent for the right to maintain possession, total amount plus court costs, $3,227.83. You'll pay that or vacate by the 23rd of this month, correct? And then that you're agreeing to have judgment entered for money judgment damages, $2,637.33, plus the court cost of $254.50 for a total $2,891.83, correct?
Your Honor.
You have the right to have an attorney represent you at today's hearing. You understood that, right?
Yes.
And you're waiving it?
Yes, Your Honor.
You also have the right to proceed to trial or hearing. You understand that?
Your Honor.
Are you waiving that?
Yeah.
Anyone threatening you or forcing you to waive these rights?
No, Your Honor.
You have 3 business days to return to the court to have this set aside if you later realize you misunderstood your rights, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Get your copy of the paperwork in just a moment. Any additional matters?
Nothing, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Federal Home Loan Mortgage versus Antroy Nathan, 25-08101.
Good morning, Your Honor. Carol Brambala, P number 41597, appearing on behalf of Federal Home Mortgage Corporation.
No one's present on behalf of Antroy Nathan. Yeah, default connector.
Yes, Your Honor, this is our second appearance, so I would ask for, I have a proposed default judgment calling for the 10-day period, which I guess would be
23rd.
23rd.
Approach.
See, what's the date?
Sorry?
I just need to fill in the date.
Oh, I can put it in.
Oh, okay.
This is just for possession, no.
No judgment, possession, 223. I can also sign it if you want. They entered here or, okay.
I can sign it.
Okay.
And we'll get you a copy in just a minute. Okay, which matter you have for?
Evergreen Park versus Hayes.
You said, hmm?
I think you have 900 long.
Oh, okay, versus Hayes.
Hayes.
Okay, a 900 Long versus Jody Hayes, 25-08042. Appearance, please.
Jim Carroll will be after the plaintiff.
Is anyone present for Jody Hayes? You have a default?
I have it faulted.
You can approach. Let's see, were you also here on Thompson? Were you also here on 900 Long versus Thompson? Or
Yes,
was
Your
that, okay,
I am as well. On behalf of the plaintiff.
okay, anyone here on behalf of Jyrese Thompson? You have defaults.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, perfect.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. We get that lady a copy. She have it? No. Oh. Who do you got, David? Oh, okay, I was just making sure it wasn't somebody I take this on. Yeah. I mean, all these have contract law. The rest of them need to be- Archie Skates versus Willie Cross. 25-08043. You can come forward. On that side, yeah, around that side. And what's your name, sir?
Archie Skates.
Your name?
William Dennis.
Okay, today was the date that was scheduled for a hearing. Now, this is for non-payment of rent. I see the parties have entered a consent judgment. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It says that the pass-through rent to retain possession for you, Ms. Chintacross, is due in the amount of $2,400 plus court costs of $110 for a total amount due $2,510, correct? That you'll either pay that in full or vacate the property no later than the 23rd of this month.
Correct.
Okay, there's also a consent to enter money judgment where you agree the damages owed, whether you move out or not, is going to be the amount of $2,036 plus the court cost of $110 for a total $2,146, correct? You understand that you have the right to be represented by an attorney? Yes. You're waiving that right? You also have the right to proceed to trial, or you could have proceeded with a hearing today. You understand that?
Yes.
And are you waiving your hearing right?
Yes.
Anyone threatening you to do that?
No.
Any coercion to get you to enter into judgment by consent? Okay, you have 3 business days to return to the court. If once you leave here, you realize you actually did misunderstood the rights that we've just gone over, you would have to return to the court, request to file a motion to set the judgment aside, and then you have to explain how you misunderstood your rights, okay? You sit tight, we'll get you a copy of the paperwork. Any questions for the court?
No.
Anything for you? Thank you.
back trips, I think that, and, he tried to dog it with the snow. Yeah, we been back up, then we been one, this, I ain't never went back up, mess with that, I don't know what's back up.
I don't know. Maybe getting heated for trash. I get it all the time.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I was saying,
Case what? You don't get years. I know, waiting on something.
yeah, she just. Just outside.
Hello, yes, this is she.
What's your name?
What's
What's your last name?
Stephanie.
Oh, okay, thank you. You just haven't seen her there. I haven't seen your attorney yet.
Oh, man, she's there. This shirt.
Thank you very much. All right. Hey, thank you, sir. I'm gonna take care of you. All right, you too. Call the ambulance.
He knows the jail.
So why did you?
Oh, no, they was real bad.
Thank you. And
What do we do on the one with capital conference? Let move. Delaney.
Oh, that was dismissed.
Okay, that's me. And then the one she followed before, Fair Home, Entry Nathan.
Mhm.
Okay.
I swear. I've seen him.
Yes, ma'am.
All rise.